This cost me $9 to build, and it sold for 85. Not because I'm a master craftsman, not because it's complicated, but because it solves a problem people are already paying for. If you want to make money with woodworking, this is what matters. Build what sells, not what impresses other woodworkers. In this video, I'll break down exactly what I built, how much it cost, why customers buy it, how much profit is left after materials, and how you can replicate it fast, even if you're a beginner. Most people don't struggle because they lack skill. They struggle because they build the wrong thing. They spend hours on beautiful projects that have zero demand. Wood doesn't pay you. Customers do. So here's the project. I built a set of 3 picture lead shelves. Simple, clean, modern. The kind people use in nurseries, living rooms, and home offices to display frames and decor. Nothing fancy. Straight cuts. Basic assembly. Clean finish. Now let's talk numbers. Material cost. 1 pine board for the shelf body. 1 thin strip for the front lip. Screws and basic paint. Total material cost came to just under $9. That's it. No expensive hardwood. No complex joinery. No advanced tools. Now the important part. I listed the set of 3 shelves for $85. Not one shelf. A set, because bundles increase perceived value. Within a few days, they sold. So let's break down the margin. $85 sale price. Minus $9 material cost. That leaves $76 gross profit before marketplace fees. Even after small fees, you're still looking at strong margin on a beginner-friendly build. That's the difference between woodworking as a hobby and woodworking as a business. Hobby thinking. Was this fun to build? Business thinking. Is there demand for this? Why does this project sell? Because it solves a decorating problem. People want simple wall storage that looks clean. They want something affordable compared to big box stores. They want neutral colors that match any home. And most importantly, they want a complete solution. One shelf feels random. A matching set feels intentional. That's why the bundle matters. Now here's how you sell it correctly. First, keep the design simple and modern. White, black, or light stain. Second, photograph it styled. Add frames. Add a small plant. Show scale on a real wall. Third, price it as a set. Don't compete at the bottom. Compete on value. And fourth, list it where buyers are already shopping. Facebook Marketplace is great for local cash sales. Etsy works well if your finish is clean and your photos look professional. The key is not just building it. The key is building it knowing who the customer is. Parents decorating a nursery. Homeowners refreshing a living room. Apartment renters who can't install bulky cabinets. That's demand. And demand creates income. Now imagine this. If one set generates around $70 in profit, what happens if you build 5 sets in a week? That's the shift. You stop thinking like a builder. You start thinking like a producer. Simple cuts. Repeatable process. Strong margin. Real customers. That's how everyday people turn woodworking into cash. Not by building everything, by building the right thing. If you'd like the exact measurements, cutting list, and step-by-step plans for projects like this, I've linked the complete woodworking plan library below. Build simple, build what sells, and turn wood into income.